You are going to love the 2016 Tundra. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.